Hi guys, my name's Raz and today we'll be looking at completing the square. So just going to go through three worked examples and hopefully after that you'll understand what to do. So if we look at this quadratic equation y equals x squared plus 4x plus 1, to complete the square what we want to end up with is a bracket like this. Yes, so what will go inside the bracket will be x plus 2. Well, you're probably wondering where I got the 2 from. All I did was I halved that number. Now, we will always subtract whatever this number is squared. Yeah? And then we plus 1. So what I will have next is that y equals x plus 2 squared minus 4 plus 1. So the answer will be y equals x plus 2 squared minus 3. So you're probably wondering why, and I'll explain. If we look at x plus 2 squared and we expand it, what do we get? Yep, you got it. We get x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this replaces this here.